Hey guys, we have one more sound left to learn this week. So we'll start off with the sounds we have already learned. S, A, T, P, I, G, O, K. Okay, so yesterday we learned the curly K, the C phoneme. Today we also have K, but this is the kicking K, the K. Okay, now sometimes you see it written like this, straight down, top to bottom, pen off, and a nice zigzag. Or sometimes you'll see it straight down, back up to the middle, loop, and flick. They both make the sound K, okay? Now, sound talk word today is the word rat. So, let's have a go at sounds talking rat. Okay, I'm going to get my robot arms ready. My turn first. Rat, 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 rat. You have a go. Okay, let's have a go at reading a word with our K sound. Today's K sound, okay? My turn first. K, it, kit. Okay, you have a go. Great. Now, let's see if we can write that word kit. We haven't got a picture today, but I'm sure we can do it. So we need to segment it first and think what phonemes we need. K, it, kit. Let me have a go. K, it, k, it, kit. Now you have a go, guys.